Hello. So now that we have created a page or turned our professional mode Facebook account on, and also add an admin to our accounts if we want to do it before we are eligible for monetization, the next thing you might want to do is to create that beautiful content that is already on your mind. So after creating this content, before you post this content, you might want to do some little editing before you post it. And this is where many people find it very challenging, because after making a video, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to do some certain thing, edit the video for it to be, come out more professional before they can post it. So if you are one of those people, relax, grab your popcorn and learn with me. So I'm going to be teaching you simple editing that you need to do on your video before you post them. So let's start with the first one, which is how to add text to your video. So the first thing you have to do is to open your Play Store and go to the search button and type CapCut. So because I already have CapCut on my phone, it's going to show me to open. But for you, you need to then install and before you open it, okay? So I'm going to be opening it because I already have it on my phone, okay? So once you open it, you go to the new project side and click on new project, okay? So once you click on new project, it will take you to your videos. So you choose the video you want to edit. So I have selected this video. The next thing, you click on add, it will come to the editing board automatically. So because we are teaching, I'm teaching you how to add text to your this, so go for text. So these are other features it has, so many things. So but today we are going to be dealing on how to add text to your video. So you go to test and click on that test icon. All right, so when you click on the test, it will show you add test. So that's the one you're going to be selecting. You now decide on what you want to. So I'm going to be typing the dynamic nurse just for illustration. So after typing the text you want, you might also want to further edit the text, like adding color, changing the font, adding an effect, so all those things. But as a new content creator, I will advise you never to go for any feature that has PRO, because you're still learning. So those PRO features, you have to pay for it. It's called Pro. So they are like advanced features. So you might want to start with the free ones first. Avoid any feature that has PRO, because you have to pay for it. So start with the free ones until you become a pro. Then you can start using the pro features. Okay. And so I'm trying to change the font. So as you see, this is changing when you're clicking each one. So you decide on the one you want, and then you might also want to add. You see that each one I move to, you see this one is the stroke. So you just have to be, play with it, explore. That's the color I'm putting, and trying to see the best one that I like. You can also go to the trending. You see, you can choose different types, and then you see the effect on the screen and decide on the one that you want. Even after you put any of these features and you think you don't like it, you might want to go back, and you will see a null button shortly. That is, you can just click on the null icon there, and then everything will go back to the way it was. You see the null, you see, I'll just go back because I'm trying to do it. It didn't work, so I'll go back and remove those ones because I didn't like it. So you see the bold, the italic, the underline, you can choose any one you want. So that's the null button. So it will remove that one effect, and then I'll just click on the color I want, and that's it. You might also want to adjust to your text to bring it down, to the any position you want. As you see, that one is covering my face, so I'm going to adjust it. You just need to hold that text, put your hand, hold it, and drag it down, just like you do with your mouse in your computer. Still drag a little bit, so just whatever position you want it. So after selecting and everything, you might want to go and add what's it called, animation to your test. Animation, simply means how you want the test. If you want it to be dancing and the rest of them, so you can choose whichever animation you want. Like I said, avoid any product or any feature that has PRO. Otherwise, they will have to charge you money before you download it. So I've chosen the animation that I want. So the next thing is I want this test to appear from the beginning to the end. So I just need to use my hand and drag it, hold it with one of the other hand, the left hand, and use the other thumb to drag it. So my hand couldn't show because this is a screen record. So you just need to drag it from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, it won't appear. It will only appear at the initial stage. So if you want it to appear only at the initial stage, that's fine for you. Okay, just adjust it to make sure that it's the same length with your video. So there's a place you see ending there at the end. So you have to delete that ending. Just click on it and click on delete. Otherwise, when your video finishes, it's going to be showing CapCut. All right, so that's it. You have decided, you have finished adding your tests, your video. You can add as many tests, even if you want to add different tests to your different page by page, you can do that as well. It's still the same method. Just touch on the page you want the test to appear and type whatever thing you want there. Just make sure it's only appear in that page. You don't need to stretch it, so it will automatically happen. Okay, so after adding your test, this is me previewing the video just to make sure that it's the outcome is what I want. Okay, so now you can see that the test is appearing in every part of the video from the beginning to the end. So after previewing, you might want to tap on that arrow, upward arrow, to download. That's all you need to do. It will automatically download the video when you finish your editing. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.